After seeing us coming in a tractor, a couple of families made us stop. They wanted to share their plight during this difficult time. They've been saying that for the last several years, this has been a repeated episode, and right now, children, men, women of all age groups have come out here to talk to us. Sir, can you tell us what was the situation in your house? Has the water started receding? And you've been saying that this is a repeated affair. Has there been any action initiated by the government?
To honestly say, this is like not the first time. It's from 2015, 2017, and then 2019 as well as 2021. So almost like every year and so like we are facing this kind of difficulties. And as I said, like there is a nearby canal we have. So though they have constructed like 7 feet height, they have canal. There are many places where it is open, so it's not fully constructed. So the water which is coming there, right, it's coming out throughout the streets and then it's lying. Almost 4.5 feet height we had a water yesterday. So now it has little drained out, but still like most of the houses like we have water still lagging.
Sir, also we are seeing that 4.5 feet of water inside a house means it's very risky for children. And how much of a height did the water levels reach in your house? And are you able to stay there, or have you been trying to move out of the house?
No, actually, what happened now? Water was the half of my body in my parking area. So we are not able to save our vehicles and also the childrens. All the insects and snakes, like snakes, and all the dangerous insects are coming out, and it is coming to it is landing to our home. So it is not safe for our kids. So that is also one of the problem in our area.
And sir, has there been any action from the municipality or corporation or any officials? Have they visited your area?
No, not yet actually. Not yet. No one has come yet actually. So we are like we are taking care of ourselves actually. Whatever needs our neighbors, and also we are talking each other and doing the helping.
Have you got the essentials that are required for the house, like milk, water, food, vegetables? Have you got any of it?
We have not received so far actually. So we are waiting for like someone can, even we have money having a money is not going to work, right? We need some children are all waiting for milk in the morning hours, so which is very hard. And we are trying our like who are like anyone associates is, I mean people who is residing in our area, they are trying if they go, we are telling all together like get something for us, like that we are trying to out.
So we're seeing that people within this locality who have a kind of an association, they have been helping each other. They have a WhatsApp communication service within one another, and we're seeing that in this tractor, people are bringing milk, water, etc. They're taking a consensus of and also a record of who all wants what in which area, and accordingly that is being distributed here. And we can also see an interesting side of a delivery agent who has come here to deliver food. Unfortunately, this boy has waded through all the water to reach here. நீங்க சொல்லிட்டு இருந்தீங்க யாரோ இங்க புக் பண்ணிருக்காங்க, கேன்சல் பண்ண முடியல அவங்களால.
கேன்சல் பண்ணா பெனால்டி 500 வரையும் போடுறாங்க.
And எவ்வளவு நேரமா நீங்க இந்த ஃபுட்டோட நின்னுட்டு இருக்கீங்க?
45 minutes ஆகுது.
For the last 45 minutes, this boy has been walking around with this food item, and he's saying that if he is to cancel this food, a penalty will be levied on him. And with that fear, they have been coming here, and he's been wading through the water, trying to communicate to the person who had ordered food. It is a very difficult time in and around this region. We can see people have not been going to work. They've been staying at home with their family just to ensure that things return back to normalcy, but they don't really know when will that happen. And these are the tragic sight that we're seeing in Escalator in Chennai. With camera person Daniel, Zakshanath for India Today.